Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Infura API keys for Web3 apps step by step clearly. To authenticate with Infura API keys for your Web3 applications, follow these steps carefully. First, create an Infura account if you don't already have one. Visit the Infura website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details and complete the registration process. Once registered, log in to your Infura account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a Project button. Fill in the required fields for your new project. Be sure to select the appropriate network for your Web3 app, such as Ethereum or IPFS. Once your project is created, navigate to the project settings. Here, you will find your unique API key, which is essential for authentication. Now, copy your Infura API key. Open your Web3 application where you want to integrate the Infura API. In your application's code, you'll need to import the necessary libraries for Web3. For example, if you're using JavaScript, include the web3.js library in your project. Next, initialize a new instance of the Web3 provider. Set the provider to Infura by using your copied API key in the following format. Make sure to use the correct URL for the specific network. For example, if you are using Ethereum's mainnet, the URL should be https://mainnet.infura.io/v3. After setting up your provider, connect it to your Web3 instance. Now, you can interact with the Ethereum blockchain through your application. Test your connection by calling a simple function, such as fetching the latest block number. Verify that your application successfully retrieves the block data. If you encounter any errors, double-check your API key in network settings. With successful authentication, you are now ready to build your Web3 application using Infura. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.